Stories. With Snapchat Stories, you have a new way to share stuff with all your friends. These stories are a compilation of snaps that create a narrative. A Snapchat story is photos and videos you post by adding to your stories section, which is visible to you and all your friends. These snaps appear in chronological order with a beginning, middle, and end. The idea of Snapchat Stories is that users can kind of tell a story about their entire day. Stories honor the true nature of storytelling. Stories are a fun way to keep up with friends. When your friends post stories, they will appear in the Stories section as well. Once inside Snapchat, swipe left on the camera screen to view a story, and you'll be directed to the Stories screen. Here you can see all kinds of stories from your friends and also from other brands. The outer ring of the circle represents how much time is left in the current snap. The ring will disappear as you are viewing the snap, indicating how much time you have left to view it. The inner circle represents how much time is left in the story. The inner circle will disappear as you are viewing the snaps in a story, indicating how much time remains in the story. If you want to skip to the next snap in a story, just tap on it. If you want to skip to the next story, just swipe left. If you don't want to view a story, just swipe down to exit. To create a story, simply go to your camera screen, take a snap, and, as we showed you previously, with the plus icon, you can add this video or photo to your story. Adding a snap to your story allows your friends to view your snap an unlimited number of times for 24 hours. If you don't want to add your snap to your story, you can tap off the sending window. You'll see your story posted in the Stories screen. You can take a photo or record a video and add them one by one to your story. You can take a look at your story by tapping on it, and you'll see one snap after the other. There are other things you can do with your story. If you tap on the 3 vertical dots, you can take a look at the list of snaps contained in it. If you pick one, you'll be able to see the snap, when you posted it, the number of views, and the number of detected screenshots. Something important for you to know is that you can always customize who can view your story within your Snapchat settings. Here you have the ability to delete the snap and the option to save your snap. Remember, a snap will only appear in your story for 24 hours. If you love your story so much that you don't want it to disappear, that's no problem. Just save it.